Speed control of DC motor using single phase semi-converter connections. Supply is selected between 0 to 60 range. 0 is connected to AC input. 60 is connected to another terminal of the semi-converter kit.
T1 and T2.
We have MCB. From MCB the connections goes to T1 and T2. This is MCB. Output of the MCB is to T1 and another terminal to T2. C1, C2 and these two terminals and terminals of D1 and D2, these will be shorted. D1, D2 anodes are shorted. T1 is connected to D2. T2 is connected to D1. DF is the freewheeling diode. Anode of DF is connected to anode of D1. Cathode of freewheeling diode is connected to terminal C2. Field supply to the motor is F1 and F2. It is connected through the field supply in single phase half controlled bridge converter power unit. A1 and A2 are terminals of armature which is connected across freewheeling diode. This is the firing unit. We have 4 gate pulses, but for this circuit we require only 2 gate pulses. T1 and T2. Gate of T1 is connected to gate of T1 here and cathode of T1 to cathode of T1 in the control circuit unit. Similarly, from T2 of the firing circuit, the connections to T2 of the converter unit. The supply is also turned on to the firing circuit. According to the procedure, the alpha should be varied from maximum to minimum. As the alpha is varying, we have to note down the armature voltage as well as the speed of the DC motor. Now we have started varying alpha from maximum. Motor has just started rotating. You can notice the speed, it's very less. The speed is only 70 RPM right now. Corresponding voltage is 9.52 volts. Alpha is again varied. It is decreased around 90 degrees. You can notice there is increase in the speed of the motor. Note down the speed. Now the speed is 525 RPM. Voltage is 31.3. Because we know that speed and voltage are directly proportional to each other, as the speed is increasing, voltage will also increase. Please note down the specifications of the motor as well. The rated speed is 1500 RPM. You are not supposed to cross the maximum speed beyond 1500 rpm. Once the alpha is decreased from 180 degrees to 0, similar readings you will get, and you are supposed to plot the graph armature voltage versus the speed of the DC motor, and another graph alpha versus speed.